Okay, so I'm running out of this space and I bought this one here today for $98 or $94 without tax. So, and that's as you can see, a 2 terabyte external SSD drive, and I actually just wanted to use for backing up my video files, nothing else. And apparently there is a QR code. I'm pretty sure you can download software and get started. Erste Schritte. So that means whatever you want to do. Let's just open that up. I actually just realized that I have the same one with 1 gigabyte. So I already know that it's a pretty good device, that crucial one, and it's actually also perfect for traveling. So what it reads here, and I'm not sure if that's in the box or not, it has an adapter which goes from USB-A to USB-C. So indeed it has. So we have that adapter here where you can plug that in an ordinary USB, and then you have a USB-C out. I don't need it with my Apple computer I have, but I'm actually gonna put this one in my car. So then I have an USB-A to USB-C adapter in my car. There's nothing special here for the drive. You just plug it in here. And what I'm going to do later in this video, or that's the next part of the video, I'm gonna transfer my how's it called, my iMovie library. Right now I look at it, it's 523.27 gigabytes, so it's pretty large. I have that also on an external SSD drive via USB, and so we are gonna check out how long that takes and how fast that thing actually is in writing, because we write that on that device. As I said, it's actually a pretty cheap device. I only paid $94 without taxes. It holds 2 terabyte of storage, and it's actually pretty tiny. Maybe as comparison, that's the only $1 coin I ever had. Put $1 coin here, which is pretty seldom nowadays. And so you have a size comparison if you know how big a $1 coin is. And next part of the video will be the speed test. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna actually plug that drive in and I'll see what's happening. So, okay, we have it here. It's the crucial X6 2 terabyte. And let's just see real quick, and because I do not really know the format of that, we might find out. So the format of that thing is exFAT. I'm gonna leave it exFAT for now because I also want to use that on my PC. And then you see here we have the iMovie library, which I just said it's pretty big. And now let's just copy and paste that to the new drive, because that's gonna be the new home for that. And then we shall see how long it takes. Now it takes a while to prepare it. It gives us an estimate here, but once it's done, oh wow, that's pretty fast. So it actually gives us an estimate of under 25 minutes. Just as an example, I have a ordinary hard drive on that computer as well. As you see here, 8 terabyte one. And it would take more or less more than a day to transfer a file this big. So for my use case, under 30 minutes, that's actually pretty good. And as you can see, we already copied like 12 gigabytes. Wow, that's pretty fast. So mission accomplished. That's a pretty good deal I made.